Let's help Hajji Jassem to clean his attic.
Teacher, what is that? It looks very old.
Let's open it carefully.
Look, a treasure.
It goes to 3 places.
This is very special.
This map is very old. From my family. One day, you are going to understand its secret.
First, we are going to travel to Spain.
We are going to get the golden key.
Let's begin our journey.
Wow, a golden key. Then we are going to India. And finally, Brazil. Whoosh, we're flying.
Take care of it. It is very important.
We will keep it safe.
We are going to have a great adventure.